In today's video, I'll show you on how you can activate SteelSeries 7.1 surround sound. The first thing that you want to do is to get the application, their official software support for their products on the official website, which is going to be the SteelSeries.com-GG. You can simply search SteelSeries GG on Google Chrome and it will show you with this result right here. Click on the free download option, install the application, and from there you then have to simply install additional drivers, and one of those drivers simply include the 7.1 surround sound. If not, you then want to head over to the GG application, which will look something like this. Basically, you have all of your gear or device on the application itself. And from there, you just want to simply select the game DAC option, or if you want to enable it in your headphones, it's totally fine. But after selecting a product, it will then show up this additional menu. You have your configuration right here. And basically, we can then enable or activate the 7.1 surround sound on this option. So as you can see, we have the DTS headphones X version 2. And in here, we have a specific setting called on with 7.1. You just want to make sure that you select this option right here. And from there, you can then proceed by editing out any other presets and you would totally be fine. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.